Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone guys theme setting, and today we try to guys how can we update our phone theme in our Infinix phone device. Friends, you want to update guys your theme in your Infinix phone, so how can you update? Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting to update guys your phone theme. After on phone setting guys, click on guys your phone guys theme and lock screen. Friends, click on my theme. Friends, you want to update guys any online theme, so friends you can update from here guys. You will have to connect your net, and friends I have already this one. I will tap here to update it. So friends I will update. Friends, you can see my theme will update in my phone. So like that we can update guys our phone theme in Infinix phone device. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to update theme in our Infinix phone device. So bye bye friends, we will meet on next video with new topic. I hope friends you understood how to update theme in our Infinix phone device. So bye guys.